Introduce highlight features or overview summary for JVC KD-SX38MBT Bluetooth car stereo receiver with USB port, AM, FM radio, MP3 player, high contrast LCD, detachable faceplate. Single DIN, 13-band EQ, color black. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: all-terrain compatibility. With its durable design and weather-resistant construction, perfect for use in all-terrain vehicles and golf carts. Allowing you to enjoy your music and stay connected even in rugged outdoor environments. Convertible friendly. The KD-SX38MBT's bright and clear display is ideal for use in convertible cars, ensuring easy visibility and readability even in direct sunlight. Marine-grade performance. Whether you're cruising on a boat or enjoying a day at the beach, the KD-SX38MBT's marine-grade construction and corrosion-resistant materials make it the perfect audio companion for your water adventures. Customizable illumination. The KD-SX38MBT's customizable button illumination allows you to match the display to the lighting conditions of your environment, ensuring easy visibility and a seamless look in any setting. With its compact size and versatile mounting options, it can be easily installed in a wide range of vehicles and settings, making it the perfect audio solution for those who are always on the go. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.